Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a passkey within your account on the Gate.io crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gate.io application on your device, and after logging in, you will be taken into the homepage. From here, in order to set up your passkey, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, alongside your username, you will see an arrow button. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on Security. Now, within your security page, you will see the passkey option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to enable your passkey. Tap on the Add button underneath. You will need to enter the verification code from both your email address as well as the Google Authenticator. Tap on the Send button to get your email verification first, and then check your inbox. Once you find the verification code from your email, just paste it within the given box. Then check your Google Authenticator app. Once again, copy the verification code for Gate.io from the Authenticator app and now paste it within the Google Authenticator code section. Finally, tap on the Confirm button, and now your identity has been verified. You will now be asked to provide your biometrics. So just provide your fingerprint, and now your passkey has successfully been created. You can add multiple passkey if you wish by once again tapping on the Add button and following the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a passkey within your Gate.io application account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.